Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Project. So in this video I will show you the email based voice recognition system using Python.
Welcome back to AUD Mail. Say compose to compose the email. Say inbox to open inbox. Say outbox to open outbox and say logout to logout.
Open inbox.
We are in the inbox section. Please wait for some time. We are fetching inbox. Emails fetched. You have 14 mails in your mailbox. How you would like to search email? By sender's email or subject? Speak.
By subject.
Is the choice by subject correct? Speak.
Yes, it is correct. Yes.
Kindly speak subject you need to search. Speak.
Python.
Is the subject Python correct? Speak.
Yes, it is correct.
Please say the subject again. Speak.
Python.
Is the subject Python correct? Speak.
Yes, it is correct. Yes.
Please wait, we are finding the mails. Found the mail. It is sent by 20echi011_ishan.get8055@gmail.com. Would you like to read it? Speak.
Yes. Yes, please read it.
Do you want me to read summary or the complete email? Speak.
Please read the summary only.
Apart from object-oriented programming paradigm, Python can implement other programming methodologies such as functional programming and imperative programming. Beasley 67. Another important feature of Python language that makes it suitable as a software development tool is that it has a dynamic type system and its memory management strategy is automatic. There are various interpreters for the language for various system software, although programs developed by Python are executable in any environment irrespective of operating system environment. Hetland 78.
Compose an email. Compose an email.
Opening compose section. Opening compose section. Please speak email ID of the person to whom you want to send. Speak.
test@gmail.com.
Please confirm that if test@gmail.com is your email ID, say yes to continue or say no to speak email ID again. Speak.
Yes, it is correct. Yes.
Kindly say the subject. Speak.
Hello, this is a test email.
Is the subject hello, this is a test email correct? Speak.
Yes.
Kindly say the message body. Speak.
Hello, this is a email system that we have created for blind people to send and read email.
Is the message hello, this is an email system that we have created for blind people correct? Email sent successfully.
Open outbox.
Fetching all emails in outbox, it may take some time. There are total 4 emails in your outbox. Latest email was sent to test@gmail.com with subject, hello, this is a test email on date, Thursday, March 14th, 2024, 6 hours 5 minutes and 7 seconds -0700, PDT.
This is the complete project. If you are in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.